Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to send a text box backward or back in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and now double click on this text box. I will send this text box backward. Now click right button. Now select order. You can send back and this text box send back all of this text box and again click this text box and click right button and select order option. If I select here send backward, only this text box go first text box and second text box and see this. And if I again select this text box, send back and it will go and last text box and see this. And if you select send backward, only go first second text box and see this. In this way you can bring back and send back your text box. Now select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.